Hello, this video will discuss on how to handle the deposits, advance deposits, or an advance payment. To handle the advance deposit, go to the login first, okay, and go to receipt. Okay, in the receipt, you'll find that the list of banks listed in here that you have identified, and select the bank that you want to bank in. And assuming that you're choosing a public bank, uh, click on the enter receipt. Now, and select the once this, it will present to you a screen with all the following respective fields to be entered. And first, what you have to do is to select the debtor name, okay, and it will show you a list of all the outstanding bills, there outstanding transactions of bills to be knocked off. All right, that means you have sold things to this customer, and when they make payment, they can use to knock off any of these items. Now, as you can see that the cursor is blocked. You can't select any of them. It is because that when this customer is not an open item customer, therefore you cannot select them. Now, however, we will talk about that later. We will talk about deposit transactions. How you're going to capture deposit transactions. Now, to capture deposit transactions, what you have to do is to click on to deposit. All right. Now, what happens is that when you click on to deposit, the transactions would not be used to knock off any of the transactions over here. It will be kept in a location, advance payment location, for your, or it will be actually kept in this screen, receipt, reverse, or and balances that has not been knocked off. Right. So that will happen. Right. Now, assuming that you are choosing a deposit, okay, first of all, you need to select the, okay, let's say I want to deposit 1,000. You make sure that you have to check off this deposit flag, okay? Then the system will know that you are doing a deposit banking, all right? So, and I will show you how to find out where is the deposit, okay, for this particular debtor. So let's say I'm taking example 1,000. I'm banking in 1,000 deposit, and you key in commensurate deposit transaction. All right, and the check number is PBP 123. All right, and receive project A. Okay, from Mr. Lim. Right. So once you enter all this information and click submit, okay, you have to choose a different date. Okay, let's say I chose a September. All right, and that's it. Okay, and to find out the deposit transactions, what you have to do is to go to your receipt, reverse, and balances. You'll find that there's two transactions over here. Okay, click onto this debtor A. That means he has two balances to be knocked off. And you find that there's a deposit transaction that is used in here. I can see DRC 104. Select this one, and to knock off, if you want to use this item to knock off one of your sales, click onto any of these items over here, and the system automatically compute for you the amount and the balances. All right. So and then if this indicates there is a balance, and you can use the balance to knock off other items if you want to. Okay. So once you're happy with this, click on to submit. Okay. And that's it. All right. So to find out what is the balances to be knocked off, balances or deposits, go to your receipt, reverse, and balances. From here, you see that the balance right now, there's only 100. I knocked off the 1,000 earlier. Okay. So if you click on here, you'll see that now I've only this DRC 103. Okay. So this is how you handle your advance or handle the deposit from your customer. Now, for creditor, it's the same thing. Okay, the process is the same thing. You have payment, reverse, and balances. Initiate your payment. Okay, assuming you want to make payment via your Hong Kong bank, and make sure you check off the deposit. Again, you perform the same thing like you have performed for your um, um, debtor. Okay, so and to see their balances, go to your payment, reverse, and balances. All right, and right now there's no transaction. Okay, so it works the same. Okay, for both debtor and creditor, and it's a very simple step to do it. If you want to find out what are the payments made, okay, the list of those payment made by the particular customer, go to your receipt listing, select your debtor, okay, uh, then click find, and it will show you a list of transactions, okay, that was paid by this debtor. All right, so that's the end of the video.